Hi friends, today I am with Crossbeats Aura. This is recently launched, and in this video we are going to talk about the unboxing and first impression of the product and see all the features of this smartwatch. So let's start the video first. So here is the box of Crossbeat Aura, and it looks pretty much premium boxing. And if you go to the back side, there are four colors: orange, gold, grey, and silver color. These are the four colors which will be available. The features: it comes with a 1.46 Super AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling, always on display, multiple watch faces, 9H hardness glass, fourth Gen health sensors, control crown key, and AI voice assistant, which we will talk and discuss about later. So let's first see what are the box content. Here we are getting some paperwork, including the warranty extension and also the screen guard, which you can claim from scanning the QR code. This is the strap for the smartwatch, which you can strap onto the dial. The dial is in round shape, it is not in the square shape. Now coming to the dial, it is 1.46 inch of display. It is a round dial with premium metal design, and also in the box we are getting a Pogo pin charger, which I will show you how to connect and charge. So the strapping on to the dial is very easy. It will take a little bit patience. The smartwatch comes with IP67 rating, so it is definitely waterproof. Also, after putting the straps on the dial, just check it that it is fixed properly so that the watch doesn't fall. And the watch band is very sporty look. The watch comes with a 300 mAh battery. The company claims that it will run up to 8 to 15 days. It is up to the users. It will take 75 minutes to charge from 0 to 100. So be a little bit patient, and I will definitely recommend you to charge first time. See, this is how it will charge, and charge up to 100%. If you see, there is an encoder crown on the right side and also a physical button too. On the left side, we are getting a mic. This is because it supports Bluetooth calling. It comes with the Bluetooth 5.3 version. It has a heart rate, accelerometer, SpO2, BP, multi-motion activity sensors present. The smartwatch is compatible with both Android and iPhone. The app name which you can connect with is named as CB Fit Pro. So just install the app. Once it is installed, it will ask you to create the profile. And here you can see you need to connect with the device. Your Bluetooth should be on for pairing. For adding the device for the first time, it will take some time. So be patient. Here you can see I'm trying to add the device. And once the Bluetooth is enabled, it will be very easily available on the smartwatch. Here you can see Crossbeat Aura, it is showing. And now I am trying to pair it. Once it is done, you can see all the watch faces will be visible, and once it is being paired, it will show you the battery percentage. Currently it is showing 73% and status is connected. Even it will ask you to check out your contacts through Bluetooth pairing, and it will be helpful if you give the permission for calling. Even you can see the profile, goal, and health section too. Now this will also show you step, heart count. I will tell each and every feature in detail. First, I will show you that there is no upgrade available for the smartwatch. Now, if we talk about the watch face, we can change directly. So it has two options. You can change the watch face through the smartwatch, but it is very limited. But if you want to do too much edit, then you can do that from the app. Here you can see a lot of customization is available, including the color of the text and the format. Even that, if you want to add few more faces from the face gallery, just tap on it and wait for it to load. You need a proper internet connection to load the watch faces on your smartwatch. And you can see there are bundle of more than 100 200 smartwatch faces are available, all in the round shape, and all are compatible with the Aura smartwatch. So currently I'm trying to install one, and I will show you how it looks like and how much time it takes to install the watch face. So it takes nearly 4 to 5 minutes around. It depends on the internet speed, and also Once it is done, you can also change to another watch face too. So I would like to change another watch face. Just give me a second and I would have to go through that. So here you can see few more watch faces. So watch face is already installed. Now if we talk about few more features including notification, which is one more important thing. Go to the phone, allow it to notifications so that you get the phone call, messages, and also from Facebook, X, which is earlier it was Twitter. You have to give the permission separately if it is not allowed. So here you can see CB Fit Pro. I just have to give the permission. Once it is given, you will get the notification from X also, WhatsApp also, Instagram also, and other apps if you want to. But these are the apps what I use frequently. So I'm just turning on the notification of them. Then next is alarm. So if you go to the alarm, you can set the alarm through your watch app, and there is also shutter. You can click the picture using the shutter button. You can see the shutter button is on your smartwatch. You just tap on it. Here the countdown begins of 3, 2, 1, and then the picture will be clicked. So this is how you can do the remote capturing, and it also supports remotely music control too. In others, if you go, there is a time format, unit format, do not disturb, reminders to move, continuous heart detection if you want for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, like that. Time stress is also there. Control phone music, definitely I will recommend you to switch this on. Battery saving mode, if you are low in battery, you can switch it on. Screen timeout, it is 5 seconds currently, you can change that. Quick view should be on. If you lift your wrist, it will show the time. Heart rate alert should be on. Also the weather. Now the next is going to the profile, in that you have to put your personal detail including age, height, weight, like those. Even the step goals can be changed from here, and about will be your about detail of the app. If you go to the home, there is a step count, sleep count, also heart rate, BP monitor, stress monitor, outdoor running. So it has lot of activity which can be covered in this. So if you can pause and see, even blood oxygen can be also counted here. This I haven't tried and tested currently, but these are the features which you can measure through this smartwatch. One more thing I'm telling to all the viewers, if you are watching, if anything is serious, do consult to a doctor. Don't depend on any gadget. I'm telling about any gadget, but in serious condition, do consult with a doctor. Now talking about the smartwatch here, if you tap for a long time, you can change this watch face too. So this is a shortcut. And after that, if you see, let's start with the first thing. If you press the crown, here you are. Then you will see the activity. If you swipe from the right to left, then there is sleep. Then there is heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, SpO2 monitor, and then there is weather. And in the last, there is phone also, which I have recently added, even the AI voice. Now, if you want to add more, just you can go to the favorites plus, and here you can see you can add more tabs too. But these are the tabs which I have added, including phone, AI. So don't get confused that why it is not present in your smartwatch. If you want, you can just press the add. If you swipe from the left to right, on the top you are getting this is the voice assistant. It can trigger the Siri and also can trigger the Google Voice Assistant. Now the next is phone. You can go and directly access to phone, dial pad, recent, and contacts too. And the next is the blood pressure monitor. Another is for the exercise. Then there is stopwatch. This is for settings. If you go inside it, you can see display, vibrate, and let's start with display first. It has a brightness. The sleep, I'm just changing it to 30 seconds. Watch faces, I have already showed you how to change the watch faces. But from the settings, you can also change the watch faces. If we swipe back, we go to the setting in the display. We can go directly to the menu view. It offers too many menu views, including the honeycomb. For that, you have to swipe it parallel. Then there is surface, there is crescent, there is full moon, and hell. Also the list view is present, so I will definitely recommend you guys to try it out, and it gives you a little bit different kind of customization, look, feel of your smartwatch, and makes you different from other smartwatches which I have previously used. Now after this, we are getting few more things which I will definitely like to show you. Now if you go to the settings section back again, now there is vibrate and ring. You can change that mode into vibrate, mute, vibrate and ring. So there are three options. Intensity of vibration can be strong or soft too. It also has DND mode, low power mode, phone on media, audio and phone reset. Then there is screen log which you need analog, digital log or close. Now there is system which will help you to restart, power off and reset. Then there is about which will tell you about the smartwatch. If you go to the settings back, um, if you scroll from the top side, when there is phone, the next is menu view which you can change. Also, if you go to and change the brightness, it comes with the 1000 nits of brightness. It has an AMOLED display, so definitely it will be very brighter and easily visible on the sunlight. Here is the torch which you can also use as a flashlight. So this is one more feature what you are getting. Then there is e-card. If you have an e-card installed, you can check that out. And then it takes again to the setting. It is showing it is connected, the battery percentage, time and date. If you swipe from the bottom, you can see the notification messages if you got any. If you press the button below the crown, it will directly take you to the exercise mode where you can choose the mode of exercise. It comes with around 123 activities. Even if you want to take a phone call, you can take it directly. You can mute it also, and also you can reject too. If I pick a call, I can mute that too. Even I can switch that from phone to smartwatch also, and even I can increase the volume or decrease the volume. And once I mute it, it will show like this, and you can also disconnect. So this is how the voice calling feature works on this smartwatch. It supports Bluetooth calling. Even you can reject the call too. The Crossbeads Aura is available for 3,499 and I will drop the description link below from where you can purchase. It is available on the official website and the display comes with a 454 into 454 pixels. It comes with the aerospace metal case and also comes with marine watch band. So it looks pretty much different. It will be coming in 4 colors which I have already told you. It includes orange, gold, grey and silver. This one is the gold one. So this is all about the Crossbeads Aura. This is Vivid signing off. Please like the video, share the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.